Alright, so let's talk about faith and manifestation. Pasensya na guys, medyo hindi maganda yung boses ko ngayon. Sinisipon kasi ako. Galing ko lang sa trangkaso at job. Try my best to explain what is faith. Let's regard first the religious term of faith, because though this is spiritual, they are different. Having faith is not blind. Rather, faith is the loyalty to the unseen. Tagalog or Filipino we say pananampalataya. By definition, faith, ito yung pananampalataya mo sa isang bagay kahit hindi mo pa siya nakikita. Or kahit lang direct evidence, physical evidence. There is a saying here by Joseph Rodriguez. Okay? Sabi niya rito, faith is not blind, it is loyalty to the unseen reality. So, may mga bagay na hindi natin makikita agad. Unseen reality. Hindi porket hindi mo nakikita ang isang bagay ay hindi na ito totoo. Faith is more on metaphysical. Something that you don't need evidence immediately to believe. Sinasabi rito na visualize yourself or imagine something. So, for example, meron ka isang bagay na dinidesire, hinahangad. If you imagine that you already have that specific thing, let's say, gusto kong magkaroon ng kotse, gusto kong yumaman, gusto kong magkaroon ng partner in life, love life. In order to manifest something that you desire, that you want, you need to have faith on it na makakuha mo na siya. Have faith na nakuha mo na siya. Na nasa iyo na. So you need to visualize or imagine mo na nakuha mo na isang bagay na to, na binigay na sa'yo. So gusto ko magkaroon ng 1,000 YouTube subscriber. So I mean, already imagine that I already have that. My future self already has that numbers of subscribers. So right now, 311. So you need to detach from this current reality and have faith that your future self already have what you desire. Stop wanting, but start being. Visualize yourself having what you want, entering an unseen reality. So number 2 is once na naging loyal ka you remain loyal to your faith, your journey begins to change. So pansinin mo, dito kasi papasok yung pananampalataya natin sa isang mga bagay na ating hinahangad. Once na naging loyal ka sa pananampalataya mo sa isang bagay, the universe will conspire or tutulungan ka ng universe na ma-achieve mo yung bagay na yun. For example, naghahanap ka ng work. So kasi yung medyo recent na nangyayari sa buhay ko eh. So I lost my job for a company that I stayed 3 years, and then for whatever reason I need to resign. So feeling ko na outgrow ko na yon, yung lugar na yon, yung kumpanya na yon, yung mga tao doon. So meron na ako ibang vision. So the universe will align you to another people. So you're gonna encounter or you're gonna meet different types of people. You decide na it's time to change, it's time to move on. The universe will conspire or tutulungan ka ng universe na makuha yung isang bagay na hinahangad mo. So pamapansin mo rito, may pagbabago or collapse. May mga changes na hindi mo ina-expect talaga. Meet new people that will align on your goals or vision. So since na-outgrow ko na yung lugar na yon, hindi na nag-resonate sa kung anong version ng pagkatao ko. Since may iba akong goal, may iba akong gustong ma-achieve.
Gusto ko magkaroon ng growth in my career and hindi na nasa-serve yung purpose ko doon sa place na yon. The universe did his part. There's an incident and then I need to leave the job because of that.
Ganun siya nag-work na magkaroon ka ng faith sa minamanifest mo. Bagay na hindi na nagsaserve para doon is mawawala. You need to remain loyal to your faith even though nakikita mo parang nagka-crumble or nagpa-fall apart yung mga bagay or situation. Then the most important thing na nabanggit ko na rin kanina, this is the last thing, you must live as if it already yours. In order for you to have your manifestation, you need to believe na yung future self mo nakuha na yon. So, then, so I believe my future self, this may sound corny, cheesy, baduy, or parang kabaliwan, but I believe my future self has a financial freedom. Nagka-travel na ako sa buong mundo. Paano, di ba? What if meron akong bahay, may business ako, nahanap ko na yung purpose ko sa mundo, yung creative passion ko. I'm believing that my future self has that. Not giving timeline 5-10 years from now, but I do believe that the universe has my back. So that's why I remain loyal to the unseen reality. I remain faithful to my manifestation. So di mo kasi makikita isang bagay ng malapitan, di ba? You can only see or analyze it backwards. Ganun naman kasi yung buhay. We can only see the bigger picture after na nangyari na yon. So I remain faithful with my manifestation. I know that myself is already there. I already have my desire. I have my life partner, love life. I have my financial stability. I have financial freedom. Yumaman ako, napatulungan ko na yung nanay ko. Naranasan niya yung masarap na buhay bago man siya mawala sa mundo, di ba? So, have streams of incomes, business. I travel the world. Sobrang sarap isipin nun, di ba? Na-achieve mo yun. I have millions of subscribers in YouTube. I know this is sound crazy, but I believe this will happen. I'm gonna remain faithful and watch me make it a reality. Tada!